Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Capital One's travel benefits. Alright, if you've been wondering how to do that, this video is for you. It's going to be a really quick one. We're not going to waste any time at all. Let's just jump straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Capital One account. Now you can log into your account on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app. So once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on the travel benefits button. That's going to help you to access travel benefits portal. Now once you're there, you can just review the travel benefits options that are available, including trip cancellation, insurance, and travel assistance. And just use your travel benefits to book travel or receive travel related discounts. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Capital One's travel benefits. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.